Hi everyone, morning. Sulhan here from Uncle Sully's project. I'm just trimming the grasses at the edge of my vegetable planter. This is a shearer, a little snip shearer. You can see this is actually nice and clean. This was actually rusted because it's been out and this thing lives in the garden. What I've done is a DIY cleanup of this shearing tool. If you have rusty tools and you like to know how to remove the rust and maintain it back to its good original condition, continue watching the video. I'll show you how it is done. It's very simple and simple tools that you probably have ready in your garage. Come, let's go. So this is the rusted tool, and normally I will just mount it on the vise. Then I'll use a wire brush to rub the rust off. Alternatively, you can actually mount the brush on the vise and then rub the tool onto the brush. After removing the light rust, then we go remove the heavy rust with a brush bit on the hand drill. We can actually remove the heavier rust with the rotary brush on the drill bit, and it helps also to access to the corners and the edges of the rusty blade. So now once it's clean, you can check and everything's okay, and next we can actually ready to paint. We will apply the masking tape on the handles on the areas that we do not want to have paint, and we then spray paint all the rest of the metal parts, making sure you can give multiple coats and leave each layer to dry before you apply the next coat. This is the shearer that has been sprayed after the rust has been removed. Now it looks like it's as good as new. Now with the masking tape removed, so you can see it looks really good. Nowadays this thing can be used for a couple more years instead of being thrown away. I hope you found the video useful, and this is what you can do normally to all your rusty tools, especially garden tools like this. I hope you learned something and you can actually try out at your own home. Thank you for viewing, and thank you for watching this video on Uncle Sully's project. And if you really like to get updates on new videos like this, please do click on the like and subscribe button and be able to get in touch, and see you soon again at Uncle Sully's project. Take care and have a good week, and bye bye.